What's up friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reply to someone's comment on a pin on Pinterest. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the explore section here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, man's fashion. And let's take that and let's see if I can find a pin or post that is very hot, or let's say have a lot of likes and something like that. So let's take this one for example. Should have a lot of likes. As you can see, it has over 180 likes, and if you scroll down you can see, well, there's no comment. So let's find something that might contain some comments. So this might have some comments, let's see. And as you can see, this has 5 comments. So if I click on the comments section here, it should expand and show me some comments. And here you can see that someone basically write some comments here. And in order to reply to someone's comments, whether it's your personal post or just a post or pin with that someone writes something and you want to, let's say, comment on that as well, you can go ahead and you can basically comment. So for example, this person that says love it, I'm gonna just click on reply and just write something. I will basically write I like it too, for example, right? And then go ahead and click and save. That's going to show that you reply to someone's comment. As I said, this could, once you reply to someone's comment, it's basically starting a chain of comments from one particular comment. So that's it. That's how you can reply to someone's comment, guys, on Pinterest. Very easy and very simple. If alternatively you want to add your own comment, you can simply use the add comment here and just add whatever you want. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.